Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in a collaboration and it is hosted by Kaale. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Co-host Candy and her channel name is DIY, designed by CCW, and co-host Tammy and her channel name, me, myself, and DIYing it. And the name of this collaboration is called Hawaiian Luau Tablescape 20. And the rules are to mention their channels and in our description box. And the theme of this collaboration, of course, is Hawaiian Luau Tropical. And starting on my table, most of the items are from Dollar Tree. And of course, items I already had used before in previous tablescapes. But I'll try to go over most of them, starting with the charger, plastic charger, which has leaves on them. They are from Dollar Tree. Napkins with the silverware inside, Dollar Tree. They're beautiful flamingo straws, Dollar Tree. And some of the beautiful flowers are from Dollar Tree. And Flammy, the beautiful flamingo, she's plastic, she's from Dollar Tree. The beautiful glasses are from 7th Avenue, beautiful glasses. And the napkins are from Amazon. The salad plate is from the thrift store. The regular dinner plate is from IKEA. The runner is from, I'm going to say Dollar Tree because I used two placemats and put them together to form a runner. And I'm going to move over to the beautiful waterfall. One of the places I would love to visit in Hawaii is Maui, mainly because of the waterfall. And it is so relaxing right now. And now I would like to thank Kaale. If it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it, for hosting, and her co-host Candy, DIY, designed by CCW, and her co-host Tammy, me, myself, and DIYing it. I will list their channels below in my description box, along with a playlist of all the other participants. And ladies, this was a very fun collaboration. I enjoyed it very much. I'm so relaxed and I enjoyed my vacation at home. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up